Hello quiz buddies and welcome back to Quiz University.
Which is the youngest mountain range in India? B. Himalayas. What is the highest peak in India? Kanchenjunga. The longitudinal valleys lying between Lesser Himalaya and the Shivaliks are known as Biduns. Which part of the Himalayas is located between the Satluj and Kali rivers? Kumaon. The northern plain of India is formed by the interplay of which three major river systems? Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra. Which island is the largest inhabited riverine island in the world? Answer is A. Majuli. What is the most fertile part of the northern plains? Answer is B. Kadar. A narrow belt of pebbles, 8 to 16 kilometers wide, parallel to the slopes of the Shivaliks is? Answer is A. Bhabar. The oldest landmass of India is which of the following? Say, Peninsular Plateau. The part of the Peninsular Plateau lying to the north of the Narmada River is known as? B. Central Highlands. Which is the highest peak in the Peninsular Plateau? B. Anamudi. The Western Ghats are locally known as dash in Maharashtra and Karnataka. Answer is A. Sahyadri. Which hills are located at the junction of the Eastern and Western Ghats? B. Nilgiri Hills. The black soil area of the Peninsular Plateau is known as? B. Deccan Trap. What is the highest peak in the Eastern Ghats? Option A. Mahendragiri. The undulating sandy plain covered with sand dunes in western Rajasthan is the? B. Indian Desert. What are the crescent-shaped sand dunes found in the Indian desert called? Abarchans. Which is the only large river in the Indian desert region? B. Loni. The northern part of the western coastal plain is called? Akonkan. The southern part of the western coastal plain is known as? B. Malabar Coast. The eastern coastal plain along the Bay of Bengal is divided into B. Northern Sircar and Coromandel, which is the largest saltwater lake in India. Answer is A. Chilika. Lakshadweep Islands are located in which water body? B. Arabian Sea. The administrative headquarters of Lakshadweep is B. Kavarati. What type of origin do the Lakshadweep Islands have? Answer is C. Coral. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the B. Bay of Bengal. Which island in India contains the only active volcano? Option A. Barren Island. The shivaliks have an altitude varying between A. 900 and 1100 meters. Which range is known as the Inner Himalayas or Himadri? C. Great Himalayas. The core of the Great Himalayas is composed of B. Granite. The range lying to the south of the Himadri is known as B. Himachal. Which is the longest and most important range of the Himachal? Option A. Pirpanjal. The Brahmaputra marks the dash boundary of the Himalayas. Option C. Eastern. The mountains in the northeast running along the border with Myanmar are called Option B. Purvanchal. The older alluvium of the northern plains is known as Option B. Bhangar. The Peninsular Plateau is a part of which ancient landmass? Option C. Gondwanaland. Which river divides the Peninsular Plateau into two broad parts? Option A. Narmada. The eastward extensions of the Central Highlands are locally known as Correct answer is A. Bundelkhand. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of the Western Ghats? Option C. Continuous. The island group of India having a bird sanctuary on Piti Island is Option B. Lakshadweep.